In the world of investments, passive income strategies are a popular choice. But did you know they come with their own set of risks? Consider market risk. Investments such as dividend stocks or REITs can be affected by stock market fluctuations, and the high volatility of cryptocurrencies can impact returns from staking or other crypto-related strategies. And then there's liquidity risk. Real estate investments might not liquidate quickly without possible loss. Cryptocurrencies may require you to lock up your assets, affecting liquidity. Interest rates are another factor. Changes can affect the value of bonds and other fixed income investments. Regulatory changes could impact investments in areas like cryptocurrencies or peer-to-peer lending. Tax liability, too, can affect net returns. Don't forget business risk. Company-specific risks could lead to underperformance. Leverage risk can magnify losses if the investment value falls. Diversification risk can lead to significant losses if a single asset class underperforms. Technological risk can impact visibility and revenue for online content creators. Lastly, inflation risk can reduce the real value of returns, especially from fixed income assets like bonds. So, conduct thorough due diligence, consider consulting a financial advisor, and remember, no investment is entirely risk-free. Diversification can help manage risk, but higher potential returns often come with a higher risk profile.